Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you super simple stir-fry eggs with chives. I'm going to serve over noodles. Chives are very rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Chive in Chinese is 韭菜. Let me show you the simple ingredients. I have about a quarter of a pound chives. I already washed. Just need to remove the ends because it can be very tough. And we just cut into about inch size like this. And I have 2 eggs. As usual, I just season them with a little bit of white pepper powder. You can use ground black pepper and a little bit salt. Just beat it. And I'm going to use dry noodles. Works buying a pack of dry noodles. They are so handy. This is dry flour noodles. I used it last time too with my chicken noodle soup. And you can use your glass noodles or ramen noodles, any noodles that you have. Now we're ready to cook. So on one side, my water is boiling. We're gonna cook noodles, just a handful noodles. And we're gonna cook about 5 minutes. While the noodles are cooking on this side, we'll heat up wok to high. You don't have to use the wok to stir fry. And we add some canola oil. You can use any vegetable oil. This is Trader Joe's canola oil. When it's hot, we add the eggs. Now we add chives. Take about a minute till the chives are tender. Optional for color and some spiciness. There's my chili peppers. And now we just turn the heat off. Add oyster sauce. So we don't need to heat up the oyster sauce. And we don't need to add salt. Mix. And eggs, chives ready. Meanwhile, my noodles ready. Let's also take out the noodles. Perfect. More for Mr. Cameraman.
I can't wait. Noodles, my friend.
But I'm your best friend, right?
That's right. Always.
Now we just add some light soy sauce for the noodles. I know you don't like noodles wet, right? But it's good to have a little bit of noodle water so you can mix better. Now we just top with eggs and chives.
Wow, it smells so good.
Some color here. There we go. Wow, smells so good.
Looks amazing.
Chive, so flavorful.
Amazing. I can't wait. I
This is
love
yours.
noodles.
Big bowl for you.
Excellent.
Enjoy.
Wow. I cannot wait for this.
Mix it, mix it.
Yep.
Wow.
Oh my
It
God.
is,
That's
excellent.
phenomenal.
Chives so flavorful.
Wow.
And the oyster sauce adds a flavor too.
I could eat this every day.
Such simple dish.
Satisfying too, right? I'm sorry.
I know you appreciate food so much. Just a little bit hint of the chili peppers.
Oh, my God,
That's
it's
optional. Please try to make this so simple. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch, and side dish for your dinner. Or you can serve with rice. Please leave me a comment below how you cook your chives. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.